Hello! In this week, we are going to revise present simple, present perfect and present perfect continuous. And by the end of today's session, you will be able to use the above-mentioned tenses in written and spoken language. And you will understand the differences between present perfect and present perfect continuous. Let's look at the examples. I work part-time at school number 17 as a chemistry teacher. Real-life examples include plastics, foods, fuels that are constantly used in daily life. To improve my English, I read scientific articles in English, listen to podcasts, and watch videos. We use the present simple to talk about things we do regularly and for things which are generally true. To make up a sentence in present simple tense, we use the infinitive of the verb without to, and in the third person singular, he, she, it, we add the ending s or es. For example, my brother studies at university. We use present perfect and present perfect continuous to talk about past actions and states which are still connected to the present. In some cases, we can use both present perfect and present perfect continuous. This is usually the case when we refer to biographical type facts about someone's life, often with the words for and since or some other time frame. Let's look at the examples. My research advisor has been working at Shukhan-Vali-Khanov Kokshetau University for about 40 years. My research advisor has worked at Shukhan-Vali-Khanov Kokshetau University for 40 years. Now let's speak about the difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous. The difference between present perfect and present perfect continuous is when we want to show whether something is completed or not. We use present perfect with action verbs to emphasize the completion of an event. We use present perfect continuous to talk about ongoing events or activities which started at a time in the past and are still continuing up until now. The continuous tense shows that it is not completed. Let's look at our examples. I've written the essay. It means that the action is completed. I've been writing the essay. It is an ongoing activity. I'm still writing it. We often use the present perfect to talk about life experiences and to say what we have done in an unfinished time period, such as today, this week, this year, and with the expressions such as so far, until now, before. Let's look at our examples. We haven't had a lot of positive feedback so far. We haven't had a lot of positive feedback so far. I have had an online conference with my colleagues from Great Britain this week.